Coloreazy Permanent Hair Color Black, the Dollar Tree, dyeing my hair, Miss Sassy Pat. Hello. Today's video is about me coloring my gray hair. Bye bye gray edges. I'm using the Coloreazy Permanent Cream Hair Color that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm using hair clips, the color cream, the developer. You also get instructions and a pair of gloves. So untwisting the developer bottle and untwisting the cream, you flip it on the opposite side and you poke a little hole on the top. Then taking the color cream into the developer bottle, just squeeze all the contents inside. I'm starting from the top and working all the way down. So there you have the mixture. Now I'm going to shake until this is completely blended. I section my hair in 4 parts. Using the Butcher Boy coconut oil, I put a small amount in a little cup, and I'm placing this around my edges and my ear. I do this process so the hair color will not stain my skin. So I'm putting on plastic gloves. These are not the gloves that came with it. So I removed the tip from the developer bottle, and now I'm going to apply the mixture through my hair. I always start with my edges first. So I'm just really working this product through. I'm using 1 bottle, but I really needed 2, but I'm just doing a light touch-up today. So I have to use it sparingly through each section. So I finish one section and then I start on the next. So I'm just applying, rubbing the mixture in, and that was my first pass through, and that's how it looks in the back. Now I'm going to start again, and now I'm going to part each section and put some more of the hair dye. I just wanted to make sure I had enough dye to do my whole hair. So I'm just working the product in. I don't really care that I'm not getting all the gray hairs. I just do not like gray hairs on my edges. I love this product. I have used it before and it works. And you see the skin discoloration, and that's why I put the coconut oil, so it wouldn't be that bad. Are you ready to see the results? Oh, it's so pretty! No more gray edges. I really love this product. It works well, and I know it's only $1. So the next time you're in your dollar store, don't forget to pick up your hair dye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications. Are we friends yet? Follow me at MsSassyPat. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification. Miss Sassy Pat.